How to install Payoneer application. So if you want to install Payoneer application, make sure to have a stable internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, once you've checked that, now you can open up your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're on your Android, go for your Play Store. And if you're on your Apple or iOS devices, go for the App Store and then go for the search and search for Payoneer. Once you've searched, here you will have the application. So if you want to install or download this application, simply tap on install, and once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application, and once it's downloaded, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side. Now once it's installed, tap on open. And once you've opened, you can register to your Payoneer account. You can register or you can sign in. So that's it. That's how you can install and download Payoneer application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.